seeing those lanterns.
Day after tomorrow, they're having a huge sale.
Tonight she's giving birth and it's mine.
Tonight, they're finally coming true.
At midnight tonight, we're hitting Duncan's toy chest.
The Lark and the Widow are meeting tonight to negotiate delivery of an unspecified package, which we can only assume is our missing plutonium.
I'm leaving for India today.
I guess since I am leaving in a week, I sort of get you not telling me.
Next month, they're installing new alarms in a bank in Marylebone.
The day after tomorrow, I'm going up to Nashville.
Yeah, but we are getting married in 2 days.
Tomorrow, we are walking into that concert, girls, and coming out.
Tom and I are getting married in the fall.
Re-election campaign headquarters are opening up next week, and I talked to the governor this morning.
Oh, you should also mention that I am opening my own art studio here in San Francisco later this month.
Drew, I am having Peter over for dinner tomorrow night, and I was wondering if you would like to invite Justin.
The other guys are leaving in the morning.
Remember, Sharon and I are leaving in the morning.
We are leaving in 3 minutes.
She's in love with you, and she is leaving in about 2 hours.
The magic bus is leaving in 7 minutes.
We are leaving for Australia tomorrow.
Taylor and Mason are meeting us at the airport in the morning.
The Widow is meeting Lark in 30 minutes. That's where the Widow is meeting Lark.
Speaking of work, I am meeting up with some people from the office tonight for a party.
Tonight, we're taking you back to your father, King Stephen.
Tonight we are going out into Wellington Central.
Tonight, she's cooking me a meatloaf.
And tomorrow, she's leaving.
Tomorrow, I'm definitely taking the day off.
Okay, so tonight, you're working.
Next year we are definitely doing our town.
Next year, she's getting batteries.
Next year, you are going to summer school.
Next year, I'm ordering from Delmonico's.
Next week, he's giving a big society ball.
Next week, you're going back to school.
The day after tomorrow, I'm going to the Sikh temple to be received back in my religion.
Tomorrow, we're running a story.
Tomorrow, we're robbing the Pan City stage.
Tomorrow, she's leaving the country. Tomorrow, she's going away.
Tomorrow, he's taking me to Bermuda as a friend.
Tomorrow, he's pulling a big affair down at the factory ruins. Tomorrow, he's going to San Francisco. Yeah, you're not working tomorrow. You're working Wednesday.